Google has ruled the internet for more than 20 years. Whenever we needed answer, we searched on Google. But now, millions of people are asking ChatGPT instead. Students, business owners, marketers, developers, even content creators. So here is the big question. Is ChatGPT replacing Google or is Google evolving into something completely new? The most importantly, what does this mean for you? Let's break down in future of search. Search is changing faster than ever. Before Google gave us links, now AI gave us answers. Instead of opening 10 websites, people just ask ChatGPT directly. And honestly, it feels faster, simpler, and most personal. But Google isn't sitting quietly. Google launched Gemini AI, AI overviews, and AI powered search experiences. This is now a battle between traditional search versus AI search. And whoever wins will change the internet forever. Let's first understand how Google works. Google is a search engine. You type a keyword like best smartphone under rupees 500. Google scans billions of web pages and ranks results using SEO signals like keywords, backlinks, website authority, content quality, and user experience. Then users click websites to find answers. This model created blogs, SEO agencies, affiliate marketing, and digital advertising industries worth billions. Google became powerful because it controlled attention. The more searches people made, the more ads Google could show. That's why Google became one of the biggest companies in the world. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT doesn't just give links, it gives direct answers. You can ask, write me a business plan, explain SEO like I am 10, create a workout routine, compare iPhone versus Samsung, and within seconds you will get personalized responses. This changes under behavior completely. Instead of searching multiple websites, AI summarizes information instantly. That's why younger users especially are starting to prefer AI tools over traditional search engines because AI feels like talking to a human expert, not just searching the internet. Here is why ChatGPT is growing insanely fast. Number 1, speed. People want instant answers. Number 2, no information overloaded. Google gives thousands of results, AI gives one clear response. Number 3, conversion based on search. You can ask follow up questions naturally, like make it shorter, explain simpler, give examples, create a strategy. Google search can't do that naturally. Number 4, productivity. Students use AI for studying, businesses use AI for marketing, developers use AI for coding, creators use AI for scripting. AI search is becoming a daily assistant. But doesn't this mean Google is dying? Not exactly. Google still dominates search traffic globally. Billions of people still use Google every single day. Why? Because Google is still better for live news, maps, shopping, local businesses, search, and discovering websites. Plus, Google owns YouTube, Android, Chrome, and massive AI infrastructure. The real truth is, Google is adopting. AI overuse inside Google search shows that Google is moving toward AI generated answers too. So instead of disappearing, Google is evolving. AI search sounds amazing, but there is a huge problem: accuracy. AI can sometimes give wrong answers, fake facts, outdated information, or hallucinated responses. Google at least shows sources and websites. With AI, users may trust answers without verifying them. Another issue: website traffic. If AI gives answers directly, fewer people visit websites that could completely disrupt blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing, and online publishing. The internet economy itself may change. This is the most important part. If you are a business owner, marketer, or a creator, you need to understand AI search because the future of visibility is changing earlier. Businesses optimized for a Google SEO now. They also needed AI SEO. That means Creating trusted content, building authority, earning brand mentions, getting reviews, publishing expert insights, and becoming a recognizable brand online. AI tools recommend brands they trust. So, the future belongs to businesses with real authority and valuable content. This is why personal branding, content marketing, and trust signals matter more than ever. So, Google versus ChatGPT, who wins? The answer is both. Google will remain powerful for discovery and real time information. ChatGPT and AI tools will dominate personalized answers and productivity. The future of search is probably Google plus AI combined. And honestly, this is the just beginning. The next few years will completely reshape SEO, marketing, content creation, and how humans access information online. So, what do you think? Will ChatGPT replace Google someday, or will Google stay king? Comment your opinion below. And if you want more videos on AI, SEO, digital marketing, and future of technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications. See you in the next video.